When it comes to protecting what matters most, two standout names go head-to-head: Amica Mutual and Erie Insurance. Which one really has your back? On one side, we have Amica Mutual, known for top-notch customer service and reliability. On the other, Erie Insurance, offering comprehensive coverage and strong regional support. Let's set aside the catchy slogans and industry jargon and focus on what truly sets them apart. Each category will earn points, from coverage options to claims experience, and by the end, you'll know exactly which insurer comes out on top. The winner may just surprise you. Here's our roadmap. We'll break them down by price and value, customer satisfaction, claims experience, policy options, and how easy they are to get, availability. We'll see where they pull ahead and where they, well, maybe come up a little short. First up, price and value. So Amica, honestly, they're all about transparent pricing. They're not hiding the numbers, and this is cool. You might actually get some mutual dividends back. But here's the thing, they're not always the cheapest. Especially if you live in a high-risk area, you could see your quote creep up a bit. Now, Erie Insurance, okay, I have to say, if saving money is your thing, Erie is often at the front of the pack. Their premiums can get seriously low, plus they pile on discounts. And get this, their rate lock option means your rate actually stays the same year after year. Not bad, right? Downside: Erie's not in every state, which can be a deal breaker. But overall, Erie definitely takes this round. Moving on to customer satisfaction. Amica has this reputation that's honestly tough to beat. The reviews, always near the top with J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, and their service, it's almost like they take it personally. Downside: they don't always have local agents, so you might miss out on that face-to-face help. Erie, on the other hand, shines especially in the Mid-Atlantic and Midwest. Their agents are local, they're present, and people are pretty happy with them, but overall, their ratings are just a notch below Amica. So for pure satisfaction, Amica takes the spotlight. Okay, claims experience. This is where the rubber meets the road, right? Amica is seriously impressive. Claims are fast, easy, and barely anyone complains. It's as hassle-free as it gets, though you might run into a hiccup if you need an adjuster in certain states. Erie offers great agent support, and their local presence is a real help, but sometimes their processing can drag a bit longer compared to Amica, according to a few reviews. So once again, Amica edges ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Amica is the oldest mutual auto insurer in the US, founded way back in 1907. How classic is that? Now let's talk policy options. Amica gives you solid standard coverage, and you can spring for some premium packages if you want to level up. But if you're looking for wild customization, they don't offer as many little add-ons. Erie, they've got loads of choices, and that rate lock feature, super unique. Only catch, some of their cool features aren't available everywhere, which can be kinda frustrating. Both have strong options, so honestly I'm calling this one a tie. Last up, availability. Amica is basically everywhere nationwide, so if you move or travel or just want that peace of mind, they're easy to get. Only thing is, they might not take on new customers in every single spot. Erie. They're really strong in the East and Midwest, but well, not available nationwide. So if you're outside those zones, sorry, you're out of luck. So Amica sweeps this category easily. When you stack up all these categories on the radar, you can really see both have their strengths. Erie is a favorite for cost, but Amica keeps pulling ahead nearly everywhere else. So who should you pick? Honestly, if you want near legendary claims service and the comfort of nationwide coverage, Amica's your go-to. But if you're pinching pennies and you live where Erie operates, it's tough to beat those low rates and local agent perks. If you found this insurance matchup useful, why not hit subscribe? We've got plenty more head-to-head breakdowns coming up.